Hi! In front of me is ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads on this device. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Then tap on Browse at the bottom in the middle. And last but not least, click on Downloads category. As you can see after that, I can access all my downloaded files. If you wish to open one of them, just click on the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!